Hello everyone, this is Farnoosh here, your humble 3D artist. In this tutorial we are going to cover pretty much everything you need to know about sub-D modeling in 3dsmax to create this fantastic Winchester. We're going to start with the real object references images and then add our fancy attachments to it. Then we're going to unwrap it in Realism UV with the overlapping UV tile technique. After that we are going to bake our texture maps and start texturing in Substance Painter. And then for the rendering part we are going to use Marmoset toolbag to create our Apocalyptic Winchester ready for killing zombies. I hope this would be helpful. Stay safe. Peace.